last video in 5.1, I promise, and this is looking at how you can take a table of data and determine whether it would be represented by something that's linear or something that's quadratic or something that's cubic. And the way that we do that is we look for the difference between the y values from term to term. So what I mean by that, it's better to explain it in actual process than to try to explain it in words. If I look at what happens as we go from -1 to -7, so from -1 to -7, we actually dropped 6. The way you get that, if you want to actually use your calculator, is you would take -7 minus a -1, and that would tell you that it went 6 down. Then from -7 to -3, it actually went up 4. And again, you could subtract on your calculator if you needed to. And then from 3 to 5, it went up 8. And then from 5 to 11, it went up 6. From 11 to 9, it went down 2. And from 9 to -7, it went down 16. If it goes up, it's positive. If it goes down, it's negative. So once you do this and you find these are called the differences, you're going to look and see if all the numbers are exactly the same, which obviously they're not. And if they're not, you're going to repeat the process. So now we're going to see the difference between -6 and 4. So that goes up 10. 4 to 8 goes up 4. 8 to 6 goes down 2. 6 to -2 goes down 8. And -2 to -16 goes down 14. We once again check those numbers and see if they are the same. They are still not the same. So we're going to continue the process. I promise it doesn't continue forever. So you're going to go 10 to 4 goes down 6. 4 to -2 goes down 6. -2 to -8 goes down 6. And -8 to -14 also goes down 6. This is what this tells you. You're going to count how many times you had to do this process. So you did it 1 time here, you did it 2 times here, and then finally 3 times. What this means is this is a degree 3 polynomial, meaning if I were to graph this scatter plot and try to find like a best fitting graph, your graph would need to be a 3rd degree or a cubic function. I'm going to show you one more just so you get a chance to practice it. And if the number gets bigger, by all means, grab a calculator to help you with the subtraction. Because what you're doing is you're subtracting this number minus this number if you're doing it on a calculator. So to go from 23 to -16, it goes down 39. From -16 to -15, it goes up 1. -15 to -10, it goes up 5. -10 to -13, it goes down 3. -13 to -12, it goes up 1. And -12 to 29 goes up 41. Keep going. -39 to 1 goes up 40. 1 to 5 goes up 4. 5 to -3 goes down 8. -3 to 1 goes up 4. And 1 to 41 goes up 40. Keep going. 40 to 4 goes down 36. 4 to -8 goes down 12. -8 to 4 goes up 12. And 4 to 40 goes up 36. Numbers are getting similar. Continuing from -36 to -24, it goes up, I put up minus, it goes up 24. -12 to +12 goes up 24, and 12 to 36 goes up 24. So we had to go through this process 1, 2, 3, 4 times, which means it is a degree 4 or a quartic function. I will never make you do the process more than 4 times. I can get really, really boring after a while, and it's easy to make an arithmetic mistake. So grab a calculator if you need it and trust that I will make you go through the process maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times, maybe 4 times, but not more than that.